cold start with the catback system. Holy. What it do, gang? It's your boy Two-Time Moto TV, and we back with another video. Today we're gonna be chopping off the Super 10s on the 2004 Crown Victoria. As you guys can see, the Stang's in the back with the hood pop, man. You guys know that there definitely some goodies coming soon. So, yo, today we're just gonna chop the Super 10s off of the 2004 Crown Vic to see if it makes a difference. So you guys hear how it sounds now, which I'm gonna give you another start when we come out here. When we bring it out the garage, I gave you guys a cold start with the Super 10 exhaust on it. So we're gonna bring it out of the garage. We're gonna do another start. We're gonna chop the Super 10s off, which I'm gonna let you guys see that. Boom, Super 10s. And I'm gonna donate these Super 10s to the 1992 Mustang GT Cobra replica. Donate them to this car because so far they got MagnaFlow exhaust on it. No cats, just straight MagnaFlow. Or I may just go catback exhaust with this car as well. Depending on how this thing sounds, I may do the same thing with this car. Straight catback exhaust. Well, no cats exhaust. But yeah, this thing would definitely have catback exhaust. True catback exhaust. So I'm gonna have to go and get some hangers made for the Crown Vic to keep my pipe up, to keep my existing pipe up that's coming from the headers on back. So I have existing pipe. I'm gonna need some hangers for that. Cause so far, let me show you guys the hangers are currently right here. So it's on my exhaust tip, and then you see the hanger, but I have no hangers from here all the way forward. So let's go ahead and back this thing out. I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna do to keep that pipe up so that I can go and get some hangers made and weld it on to the pipe. So y'all stay tuned. So basically when we cut this muffler off, just soon as she idle up, she lets me know that she ready. She has that growl, that menacing tone with her to let me know that she ready to be driven. A beast of American muscle, another beast of American muscle. Guys, the only thing that y'all gonna need is a Sawzall to get started with this project. So if you guys have catalytic converters coming from your headers, you can chop the second two off. Chop those off, man, run y'all some pipe. If y'all guys are good at welding, then you can definitely do this with any vehicle. Chop the 2-second converters off, run some pipe, have it free, man. Don't even put no muffler on it. But like I said, before we do that, we're gonna see how it sounds. If it makes a different sound or whether it's more aggressive, we about to find out right now. I don't wanna tell y'all do something that we don't even know how it's gonna sound. So we're gonna straight pipe the Vic and we're gonna see exactly what it sounds like, man. So y'all stay tuned. And it's just as simple as that. Now I remove my mufflers from this one bracket. Therefore, I have mufflers to go up on the Fox. You guys can see right there. All right, guys, this is Super 10s versus catback exhaust. If you guys don't know what this thing sounds revved up, then go and check out my last videos. I have plenty of rev videos with this car. That's the reason why I didn't do it this time. But we're gonna check it out, see what it sounds like up on the start. Oh God. Yeah, that's a serious difference. Do a walk around with the car. This ain't even no cold start, guys. Sorry. I made a mistake and cut it off. My bad. Yeah, she sounds way better, 10 times better. Yo, I don't know. I made straight pipe. I made catback system the Mustang too, man, cause this thing sounds incredible. I think those Super 10s was taken away from it a little bit. Now the Super 10s gave it a distinctive sound, not a straight pipe sound. So you guys know every straight pipe car daggone there sounds the same, but I have different heads, a different cam and everything with this car, so it's not gonna sound like every Crown Vic that's straight pipe. But yo, we're gonna hop in it and give it some gas, see what it sounds like. Make sure y'all subscribe, smash that like button, and comment if you guys got any questions. But we're gonna go ahead and stick the key in this bad boy. Since we remote started, we can't press the gas without it without the key in it. We're gonna see what it sounds like. Woo! Oh my Jesus. Yeah guys, that's a 10 times difference. I would give it that, like, even the single chamber ain't as close to straight pipe as straight pipe. So, yo, I'm gonna set the camera back here and I'm gonna let y'all hear what that thing sound like, cause it about blew my eardrums out sitting in the car just with the doors up. So, yo, we're gonna see what it sounds like back here. That thing sounds crazy. Yo, I do this for y'all, gang, and for myself as well, man, because I needed some more sound coming out this thing, knowing that it's cam, knowing that I got head, and I didn't want to sound like every other Crown Vic out here, so I had to chop those single chamber flow masters, or those Super 10s is what we call them. But man, this thing sounds incredible, man. I can't wait to drive it again, which I'm not gonna drive it today because I gotta go to work in a little bit. But man, this thing sounds incredible. Guys, just listen to it. You can actually hear it camming out a little bit as well. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for a lot more. We got a lot more to come, guys. We're gonna take those single chamber flow masters and possibly put them up on this Fox body. If not, I'm gonna chop the mufflers off this thing and see what it sounds like as well. Then I'm gonna put the single chamber flow masters on, so it's gonna be like a reverse video. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, because that's coming very soon. Two-time Moto TV out, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and comment if you got any questions. Until next time, peace!